Mill.
You are here with Miss Foreman
And Miss Meckler.
Today is Friday, August 26th.
It is a C day.
C Day.
C day.
Ooh, that's fun. Lunch today. You ready for this?
Ooh, that's my favorite.
Oh,
Seriously.
cool. It's 2 for mini burgers or French bread garlic pizza. Lunch Monday, get this, chicken tenders with school-made roll or country pork barbecue on a bun.
Students, if you filled out a form for a Chromebook or hotspot, you should have received a yellow sheet from your homeroom teacher. These sheets need to be returned to the Media Center as soon as possible. Where do they need to be returned to?
The Media Center.
Very important. Chromebooks and hotspots will be given out Monday evening as part of Success 101 night. Hope to see you there.
Ooh, Little Mill Middle School invites you to Success 101 Title I Family Night this coming Monday, August 29th at 6:30 p.m. Families will learn more about Title I, its learning, technology, and strategies for a successful academic year across all levels.
Yeah!
You gonna be there?
I'll be there.
Sweet. Translation and child care services will be provided at no cost. Refreshments provided by Partners in Education. That means free Moe's and Papa John pizzas. Raffle prizes for parents provided by Partners in Education. A $25 Walmart gift card. All families are welcome. Hope to see you there.
$25 Walmart gift card would buy you a lot of gummy bears, too. All right, attention students. Are you interested in art club? Permission slips are now available in Miss Bridges' room, and spots are filling up fast. The first meeting will be on Tuesday, September the 6th. Permission slips and club dues should be turned in by Monday.
When?
Monday.
Monday. Okay, I got that. Robotics Club will hold a parent and student informational meeting Thursday, September 1st, after school at 4:30 in the technology classroom. That's room 1237. Any questions? Feel free to stop by and speak with Miss Robar between classes.
Attention 7th and 8th grade students. If you would like to apply for the FCA leadership team, please pick up an application from Coach Holtzclaw or Miss Crow and return the completed application by Monday. You can also find the application on the LMMS website. FCA huddles for all 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students will begin in September.
Thanks for watching, Little Mill, and have a great day.
Bye.